Now, okay, Bitcoin, this is what I shared in my Discord group yesterday, and I think it's very important here. We've seen these resistance levels, and I think this is where you could have kind of shorted the market 2 times. What we need is, even if we can get a wick today, it's okay, but we need this level to hold, and we need there to be a rebuild and then a move up to 115 again for that bullish momentum. If that's finished, again, we go all the way down to 100 around here, and then we go to around 90 on this. But that would be very unlikely, and it's never really happened before, as you can see here. So if we look at the other situations where it's happened, it was August of 2024, and then we rebuilt, and then there was a situation where we had a sell-off in 2022. So if we do see a sell-off like that, it would be, I think, something similar to June of 2021, where we had the sell-off, a rebuild of structure, another move up higher, and then maybe the real end of the market. This is where I felt alts did really, really well in 2021. I remember trading this period and my alts are flying. So maybe we have a dip in the broader market, final move, and then we move up higher. That's what I'm seeing at the moment. And then with Ethereum, again, we need this to hold. If it doesn't hold, then we go all the way down to 3K, 2.6. Ethereum's a little bit different because we've had these moves happen even recently in Feb. We had these significant sell-offs. To me, you can easily rebuild here, okay? That's like I'm saying, it's a 50-50 zone. Today is probably the most decisive day of the market. I did mention that November was going to be very, very important for the market direction, and especially for crypto. And this is where we are right now. And for me, yeah, it's looking short here. You could easily short it here as well. But again, they choosing to be less aggressive on the short side, especially after making significant gains on the long side and wanting. And I think the market will probably recover. It's just a situation of when that will happen. And I think there might be some key events or news that might come out to let's say, improve the market. But look, these institutions will want to buy at cheaper prices, and they're going to be buying it wherever those prices are. This level is fairly cheap, but also the 2.6K wouldn't be bad for them. For then that rebuild here to move up to 6K. So imagine buying it at 2.6, selling at 6K. I end up buying it here at 1.6, trading 4 or 5 times, selling around 4.5. And then we can buy again, maybe around 2.6 for that 5.9. That's the trade that I would want to take, and I'll show you why. I mean, it's so simple. It's important that you guys understand it. This trade is 18-20%, maybe 30%. Okay, it's nice. It's nice. It's definitely nice. This trade, let's say 3K to around 5.8, is 90%, and we also have a structure which would probably build for a new move higher in the markets. Okay, but that would be the most the best, I think, trade. And look, even if you took these trades here, yeah, 20%, for example, it was a quick buy up anyway, so maybe you didn't catch the whole move, 15, but you're not going to catch all the move, so you're probably fighting there and taking higher risk for maybe 20% max, 25% total. So